Listen to this, standing before a furious king, flames roaring behind you, knowing your next words could cost your life. Shadrach, Meshach, and Abednego faced this exact moment. King Nebuchadnezzar commanded all to bow to a golden statue, but these three refused, boldly declaring their faith in God. Their response? Even if God does not save us, we will not serve your gods or worship the image you have set up. Enraged, the king ordered the furnace heated 7 times hotter than usual, so fierce that the soldiers who threw them in were consumed by the flames. Yet inside the fire, something miraculous occurred. The king watched in astonishment and saw not 3 but 4 figures walking unharmed in the blazing furnace. The fourth appeared divine, a heavenly presence protecting them. When Shadrach, Meshach, and Abednego emerged, not a hair was singed, their clothes untouched, and no smoke clung to them. Their unwavering faith revealed God's power to deliver and protect, even in the most impossible situations. Their courage transformed a kingdom and continues to inspire countless hearts today. Follow @Awaken. Trace for more stories that stir faith and awaken purpose.